how to sign up for AWS account. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for an AWS account. So to get started, go ahead and open aws.amazon.com into your browser. And then in here, click on this create account button at the top right of your screen. And that will take you into this section. So in here, you can go ahead and proceed on signing into your account if you already have one. But since what we want to do in here is to sign up for an account, simply click on this need to AWS sign up button, and that will take you into a new page where you can go ahead and sign up for an account on AWS. So in here, you need to provide your root user email address that you want to use for your AWS account, your AWS account name, and then click on this verify email address button, and then AWS will send an verification email to your email that you've entered in here. But before that, you need to go ahead and bypass or pass this security verification section first. And then once the verification code is sent to your account, go ahead and open Google Mail into a new tab, and then open the email that AWS that sent you on Google Mail. So go ahead and open that, and then go ahead and copy the code that you find in here, and then head back to AWS. And then once you have done that, you get redirected into the section where you need to choose the plan that you want to use for your AWS account. And then after that, you need to enter more of your contact information in here, so you can set this to personal or business depending on the type of the account that you have created on AWS. And once you're done in here, click on agree and continue to proceed with the next step. Once you're done filling up this step, go ahead and click on this agree and continue button. So on the next step, you need to provide your billing information, such as your country, credit or debit card number, the expiration date of that card number, the security code, and your card holder name along with your billing address registered to that card. So once you're done with this, you'll get redirected into your AWS account console. So that is how you can basically sign up for an AWS account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.